Last night wasn't super great. Rained all night, still kind of raining right now. This area down here, like, flooded, kind of. So I had to hang up my bag and put my poncho over it to protect it. This, of course, is sweating, and everything's got like a layer of wet on it. Not supposed to rain tonight, so hopefully it'll dry out. I only have like 8.8 miles to go, so I'm not super worried about getting out of here fast. It's just 7:30 already. Just trying to wait out the rain. It's 8:30, packed up, ready to head off. Did not eat dinner last night really because it was literally inedible. Do not buy rice-a-roni. Maybe it was expired. I don't know. Don't buy it. Ate a bunch of snacks instead. Today might be more of a struggle than I think it's gonna be. Because the first part is like little humpies but going up, and then it's kind of like PUDs going across to the shelter. Hoping it won't take more than like 6 hours, 7 hours. We're gonna pass by the cookie lady's house. She's closed for the season, unfortunately, but that's a cool place to check out if you're not a slow flip-flopper. My feet are gonna get so wet. Thanks, rain. Someone come get me. I'm ready to go home. Look how deep this is. It's like a good 5 inches. Where was this rain in the middle of summer? This is Warner Hill. It's a little foggy out. Here's a little sign, 2,500 feet. I don't know if I said this already, but the reason Massachusetts doesn't allow dispersed camping is because they have a lot of plants that can only be found here, like the Alpine Zone in New Hampshire. So I understand why, but it's still really annoying. Shelters aren't spaced out very well. They're like every 8 or so miles. Need to put some more campsites in to break that up. Ran into a hiker I met yesterday, Gazer. He did the trail in 03. He said he likes the way I'm doing it because being in Pennsylvania in July in the middle of summer was miserable. So that's one good thing about doing it this way. October Mountain is 5.2. US 20, which goes to Lee, Massachusetts, is 12.4. Thought of those little crossings were bad. Now I gotta cross this. I want to walk across on this, but I'm worried it's gonna snap. And there's no other visible way to get across unless I can get to that tree up there, maybe? Good luck, and here we go. Shockingly, I did not fall in. This was strong enough to hold me, but I did very nearly go in as my trekking pole slipped. Cool orangey fungus and a slug. Cookie Lady, I believe, is down where these signs are. That's one of the bad things about being out here this late. You miss stuff like that. According to this sign, this is Washington Mountain. This is the remains of an 80-year-old Norway spruce plantation. They're working on making this a healthy area because at one point there were too many trees and they were competing with each other. And as you might guess, Norway spruce is not native to Massachusetts. About a mile from October Mountain. Sun has come out. Hopefully it'll stay out. There's 3 other guys who are going to be there. One of them thru hiked in the 90s, and then I think his sons both did it this year. About a half mile from the shelter is a pond and a pretty raging stream. October Mountain Shelter winter use. This is only a 0.5 or 6 from that road back there, so I'm not surprised. There's people going back here and cutting trees and stuff. I'm at the shelter, spot number 2. Got my stuff all set up so it can dry out. I don't know how well it shows up, but that thing is still soaking wet. Hopefully being the sun and the wind, it'll be dry by the time I want to actually set it up because it's only 2:30. I did 8.8 miles today. I also realized that tomorrow's part of the weekend, so probably will not be able to zero in Lee like I wanted. But I still have to go in and get a resupply and then go back out, so that'll be really fun. Upper Goose Pond I think is 8.8 miles away, but it's also half a mile off trail, so if I can get in and out of Lee fast, then maybe it won't be such an issue. 40 miles into Massachusetts, roughly, so only 50 left, and then I'll be in Connecticut. Thank you for watching, commenting, donating, subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.